Hello everyone and welcome to your own channel Crypto Guy. As everybody knows that Bitcoin is making a sport and right now we are at about 19,120 and Ethereum is right now finding its sport and about 591. Are we going to see a breakdown or are we going to see a up? We have to see in this video. There are also some crypto news like crypto exchange Bittrex global lists tokenize Apple for trading. Scammers are forging an email on Coindex. So let's check into this video. Okay, so let's start. Have a quick view on fear and greediness, and right now you can see it's over 94. This is extreme greed, and even from the last 1 week, it was almost the same. People are very bullish. Market is very bullish, so it's still we are bullish. Let's see if we have a correction or not, but right now market is seeing very stable. As you can see that there is only 0.29% increase and Bitcoin is having trying to find a support on 19,000 level, and if we want to break we have to go above the 20,000, and Ethereum is also like having a good solid support about 590 and the resistance at 600. So there are only two options left, that they have to go up or then we have to go down. And right now just I am making this video here, you can see that Bitcoin is coming down, and which most probably like on 1 day chart. Let's say we have a 1 day Bitcoin daily chart, and here you can see that right now I think it's very possible that Bitcoin come down until 18,275 and we are still very bullish. Because if you want to see the idea of how much bullish we are, we can see about 1 hour, but on 1 hour we are going down, and I think on 1 hour we have to hold this support 18,926. If we cannot, then on 2 hour we can check that Bitcoin go until 18,450, and 3 hour we can still like 17,800. But I think if we talk on 4 hour chart, we can still come and have a correction about 17,350, and on 1 day chart we can easily come about 18,190. So I mean these are the prices, but still Bitcoin is bullish as hell. You can see the performance here. Even if you have bought it, I mean you're definitely in your profit. So there are only two options right now, that Bitcoin has to break up this resistance which is 20, or in other we are coming down and we are gonna test about 18,000 or 16,000. So these are the only two valid scenario at the moment. We are going above the 20,000, or we are coming back and testing 18,000 or 16,500. But even if we come and test 16,500, this is an opportunity to buy. This is an opportunity to buy the dip, and definitely in the long run we are coming back and we are going and we are breaking up all-time high which is 20,000. And even nobody knows that at the end of this year, when the Christmas is coming, we can easily go above 20,000. So it's just a matter of time. Even if it dip, this is a good opportunity to buy and hold and stake more Bitcoin. And same here for Ethereum and US dollar. We have 1 day chart, and most probably we can come and touch 558, and even if we go more bearish it would be at 500, but it doesn't look like that we even touch 500. I think 558 would be the next support level for Ethereum, and here on 4 hour chart we can easily come to, we're already breaking this 20 weekly moving average, and we are trying to find a support here at 586, which is at 4 hour chart, and you can easily go on 526. But I think on 3 hour and 2 hour we already been coming down here at 572. If we go on 1 hour chart, oh, we already have broke this 586. So now we can go and see on 2 hour chart, and actually this is a very healthy pullback because the RSI is coming down, it's coming bearish, and there is a time come when we have to rebound. So it's just a matter of time, like when you can see a rebound out of it. It's only like 3%. This is nothing, guys. I mean, Bitcoin has done 30-40% in its bull run. So even in like 3-5% is nothing. It's just an opportunity to buy more Ethereum and more Bitcoin. That's what I will say. So I'm just telling you in very short term that in 4 hours we can easily come until 5126. And I remember that in some few days back there was a dip in Bybit and it went until 504 US dollar, and definitely many people have bought that and then sell it high. So it's very thing, you can easily put your buy order here, and as soon as it will get filled you can sell it high again. Most easy way to make money in crypto, rather than just you go and for leverage trading. But even if you want to have a leverage trading, I have a link there, is only for experienced trader. But mostly what I do, buy the dip, sell the high top, you make the money out of it. It's just that easy. So I think these are the levels we have to keep eye for Ethereum as well. Okay, so now we have some crypto news. Crypto exchange Bittrex global list Apple, Amazon, Tesla stock for trading. I mean, we can easily trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and now this exchange is also launches trading tokenized stocks such as Apple, Tesla, Amazon, and these assets. And definitely the platform trade said traders and investors will have direct access to the listed company, also including Google, Facebook, Netflix, and Pfizer, which is making vaccine for this pandemic. So definitely, I mean, there's a huge potential and there's a lot of money you can go. And another news is scammers are forging Coindex email. Here's how you protect yourself. I will always say that whenever you get an email from them, you have to go and check the email ID if it's coming from there. And if you still have some doubt, you can just go and Google that or go to their website and ask them that did they send this one, because I mean, this is your hard money and you just don't want let anybody stream from you guys. Okay, let's go and have some view on Twitter. And here there is some guy, I found it there, when he makes some resistance here, and this is a trade he make it that, and this is the stop loss, so it can easily come until down here. I mean, we have to think and see about it. This is a bearish scenario. It can also take a praise at this moment, but as I told you, even it's come down, it will definitely coming high at the end of the day. Okay, so here we have Twitter account, and if you want me to follow on Twitter, you can also follow me on Twitter, where my ID is cryptoyase26. And we can see about something about Twitter back when Chainlink was sub $100 was actually me. Can't believe it's within reach now. PO3 in motion, 18,840 US dollar. Area could provide a bounce, but I'm thinking low 18,100 and 18,200 is going to be the next zone for a real potential bounce. As I told you, so that was, if we go on one day, 18,100. That was the same point which I just told you guys, that one day there would be a weekly bounce would be from here. So we have to be keep an eye for that. Mini range, chop zone, liquid spot side, which come first. I mean, on the top we have 20,000, on the bottom we have 18,000, and Bitcoin can go there for many months. I remember, like, after the pandemic, the Bitcoin was hanging there between 9,000 to 10,000 for a very long time, and actually it's repeating this history again, that we are stuck again in 19 to 20,000 again. So it's just a matter of time before we gonna break 20,000 all-time high, and then you can go up. Here you can see that Bitcoin 4-hour chart, and they're making this range that we have to break this one. The lower top will be like here from about 1904, and then would be 1908, and right now if you can see that we are just shy about 19,000. So it's just a matter of, guy, buy Bitcoin, keep stacking, always trading. I told you the simple idea that you can always buy the dip whenever you see that the dip is there. There's only like 2% dip. When there's a 3, 4, 5% dip, just bought that dip, and as soon as there would be a leg up, you can just sell and make the money again. So this is the best tip I can give you guys, and then you can also multiply by leverage trade. You can use my left ring as well. I appreciate. So I think that's all for today, guys. Be safe, keep trading, and until that, bye bye.